Okay, guys, so we got 2 packs of Bonanza here, okay? 2 packs of Bonanza, and we're hoping to get some good stuff. So let's, you know, pop her out. Ooh. Scary. Pop her out, make her pretty. Alright, we got the stand going. Pop her out of here, too. Sheesh. Alright. Alright, chat, I'll let you pick. Should we start with the left box or the right box? Left box, right box. Left box, right box. Which one? Left? Okay. Okay, let's get started on the left box. I'm so excited. Alright, let's see here. Let's make sure. Oh, okay, we are solely focused. Okay. Madolce Salon. Tempest Dragon. Lieb. Oh, collectors. Polymerization. The hero version. Ooh, Sacred Phoenix. Then I don't have one of these. Platinum. Okay, nice. Very nice. Value going up. Hopefully, right? Ooh, Diabell Star. Okay. Nice. Nebitus. Secret 6 Samurai Hatsume. Thunder Dragon Colossus. Look at that. Nice. And we got Knight Assailant. Very nice. As a platinum. She's addicted, main. Holy, that's a lot of cards. I pre-ordered this in September, Ebony. Was that Hatsume and Miku? It was not. Okay, let's see. Ooh, Solomon Great Circle. 1 for 1. Lord of the Heavenly Prison. Nebitus. And we got a Sangan Platinum. Look at him. He's so cute. We do love our Sangan. We do love our Sangan. Look at him. Sangan gang. It actually looks really nice as a platinum. I think this looks a lot better than the holo from the retro set. Because you couldn't really see it too well. And this, at least you can, like, see it in the eyes and stuff. It looks nice. It looks super nice. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna put Sangan to the side, because I'm, like, super happy about that. I'm gonna put him right there. Okay, we got another Redox. I have so many Redoxes. Atlantean Dragoons, some of my favorite cards. Ooh, we got a Red Eyes Insight. Destiny Hero Malicious. And we got a Platinum Necros of Valkyrie. Very cool. Very cool. Super nice. Okay. Let's see what we got next. Okay, we got Rivalry of Warlords. Set Rotation. Secret 6 Samurai Kizaru. Mermail Abistius. Ooh, we got a quarter century Ally of Justice Catastar. Catastar. Gaddis store. Frick you, Konami. Frick you. Very cool. I have no idea what this card does. Very, very nice. Alright, so 1 QCR. 1 QCR. Oops. I'll put it right here. Tengen needs a bandana with a Millennium Puzzle on its head. Yeah. They made the text too shiny. I think that's like the main complaint with QCRs. Okay, we got another set rotation. Ancient Gear of the Fortress. Super Polymerization. Ooh, we got a Summoning Curse. Can barely read that, but it looks nice as a platinum. And we got a Ceasefire. Another platinum. We got 2 platinums out of this one. Very cool. I like the way the Ceasefire looks. I hope it's more than 1 Q. Listen, so the Walmart packs vary, right? Because my friend got a QCR in every pack from 1 box. And there were some boxes that had no QCRs in it. So we'll see how many QCRs we get with 1 box. So far we have 1. And I got like 9. Or no, like 10 or 11 or something when I opened those Walmart boxes. Okay, so Nebitus. Gearsu, the Orcus Mech Knight. Oh, we got a Collector's. Thunder Dragon Colossus. And we got Tidal Dragon Ruler of the Waterfalls. And Spirit Reaper. Spirit Reaper looks pretty dope. I like the way that looks. They were cheating somehow. Spirit Reaper looks dope. I like it. I'm gonna put that over here because I really like the way that one looks. It's not RNG because I think the pull rate is higher for QCRs in the Walmart packs. They're actually pretty cheap. You can get them on TCG pretty easily. Okay, so we got Tidal Dragon Ruler of Waterfall. Oh, we got Polymerization! Look at this one! I love this art. This is some of my favorite art for Polymerization. And it looks pretty sick, too. Super nice. Oh! We got 2 polymerizations. I already have the hero polymerization, though. Uh-oh, it looks like... Oh, this one's collectors. Oh, very nice. Oh my god! Okay, you cannot make this up. What the hell? There is no way. There is no way. 1, 2, 3 polymerizations. Rigged. Cheating. And... Damn, it would have been so good if this was a QCR. We got Soul Servant as a platinum. Dude, that is so funny. I can't. That is so funny. And we got Soul Servant as a platinum. Okay, that was pretty good. That was pretty funny. I started watching GX and was so done after seeing the same combo for the first 5 episodes. I've never watched it. I'm considering watching 5D, whatever, with Jaden, but that's like it. I really love the style of this card. It's so pretty. Okay, Ritual Beast Tamer. Curse Seal, the Forbidden Spell. Tidal Dragon, Ruler of Waterfalls. Redox Dragon, Ruler of Boulders. Ooh, Necros of Trishula as a platinum. A lot of platinums. Very nice, very nice. Very handsome boy. Very handsome boy. He doesn't like to show his face. He gets a little shy. Gets a little shy, you know? Alright, let's see here. Let's see here. Okay, that grass looks greener. House Dragon Maid. Very pretty. Rivalry of Warlords. Clockwork Knight. Instant Fusion. Another platinum. Very cute. It actually looks pretty good. Let's see. More Atlantean Dragoons, my beloveds. Okay, we got Senate Mining. Rivalry of Warlords. Trap Trick. I have this as QCR. Elemental here. Oh shit. We got QCR, baby! Elemental Hero! Hey! Neos. He looks pretty good. He looks pretty good. Okay, that's 2 QCRs. Instant ramen. 2 QCRs. 2 QCRs, and we only have a couple more packs. Okay, Nebt Abyss. I kept saying Nebetus, I think. Whatever. I don't care. Okay, Girasu. Blaster Dragon. Black Rose Moonlight Dragon. And we got Red Eyes Darkness Metal Dragon and a Platinum. This looks pretty good. Anything Red Eyes is sick. Hog. I have to say though, I think Sangan is still #1 contender so far. I think the Sangan is still #1. Okay, Ancient Gear Howitzer. Polymerization. Return of the Dragon Lords. Oh, it's a collector's. Okay, we got Fabled Lurie QCR. Oh, sheesh. Not the QCR I'm looking for, but I'll take it. I'll take it. And we got a Platinum Tragodia. Alright, we got 3 QCRs so far. Should I count how many Platinums I get too, you think? And see. Let me get the other ones. I mean, Platinums are basically a QCR, let's be real here. They're just missing the emblem and the gold, but... Oh, I didn't realize this was collectors too. Nice. So many collectors. So many. Huh. Maybe I didn't get as many Platinums as I thought. Unless I'm blind. Oh. I must have put all the Platinums over there. No way. Did I really? Okay, whatever. I guess I did. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Platinums. For some reason, I think I'm blind and I didn't see. But... who knows? Alright, let's see here. Okay, we got one for all. Oh, we got Snake Eyes. Okay, Solomon. Oh, we got another trap trick as a platinum. I gotta tell you, the platinum looks a lot cleaner than the QCR does for this, and I'll show you guys a comparison after. Ooh, and we got another platinum ill blood. Looks a little creepy there. Pretty neat. Ew. Ew, blood. Okay, we got Monster Reborn. Crystal Shark. Another trap trick. This one's collectors. Okay, Nemesis Corridor. And we got a platinum glow up bulb. Very nice. A little freaky looking. Little bit of a freaky looking card, you know? A little freaky. Some of these packs don't rip open easy. It almost give me like a heart attack. Okay. Grave. Ghost Reaper. She's so cute. Solomon. Ooh, we got Deep Sea Diva. Okay, we got another platinum. Selva, Warlord of Dark World. Very nice. Welcome. Welcome, hero. Let's see. Ooh, another Dragon Maid. You can never have enough Dragon Maids, chat. You can never have enough Dragon Maids. We got a Punishment Dragon. Fabled Lurie. Rivalry of Warlords. Ooh, and we got a Platinum Horn of the Phantom Beast. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Show my Sangan off. It's the card I care about the most. House Dragon Maid. Dragon Maid for your dragon home. I am the original dragon. Alright, let's see. Synap Mining. Deep Sea Diva. Curseal of the Forbidden Spell. We got a Nightmare Phoenix. Ooh, and we got a QCR Fissure! Hey! I love Fissure. Such an OG card. As a QCR, sick. Sick, sick, sick. Look at that. That looks so nice. Literally so pretty. Man, okay. That, honestly, that made me really happy. That made me really happy. That's a nice card. Okay. Dark the Dark Charmer. Another Crystal Shark. Danger Bigfoot. Solomon Great. Ooh, we got a Platinum Deck Devastation Virus. Very nice. Very, very nice. Kaiba boy. Ah, that looks sick. I like that. We got 3 more packs in this one. Danger. I have the alt art for that too. Okay, grass looks greener. Revealer of the Ice Barrier. Arch Nemesis Protoss. Thunder Dragon Dark. Smashing Ground as a platinum. Very cool, very cool. Very sparkly, very sparkly. Grass looks greener. I know. I have it in like every rarity for that card. I have it in every rarity. Okay. Ooh, okay. We got Nemesis Flag. Okay, another Leeb. Oh, Rivalry of the Warlords. We got a QCR. Oh my god, this is one of the chase cards, I'm pretty sure. Sky Striker Ace Shizuku. Hell yeah, and a QCR, baby, let's go! Very nice. And I have another card. Haha. Would have been so cool if it was another QCR. Okay, we got a Platinum Gen X Alley Birdman. Very cute little parrot. Very cute little parrot. Oh. Okay, I can't open this pack. Lord have mercy. Okay. Thunder Dragon Colossus. Ooh, Swap Frog. Okay, Grave of the Super Ancient. Promethean Princess. Ooh, we got a Premature Burial and a Platinum. Looks so nice. No, save me. Please. Sorry, I don't know why I did that. OG card. I know, it's strong with the plats. Strong with the platinums, I tell you. Strong. Strong with the platinums. Okay, so let's see. Destiny Hero Malicious. Okay, we got Mermail. Ooh, another Sky Striker Ace Shizuku. Set rotation. Ooh, Skyscraper 2, Hero City, and a Platinum. Very nice. Very pretty. Okay, last pack. You know what we gotta do? We gotta spank it. Okay. Okay, here we go. Last pack for this one. We still have a whole nother box. Okay. For this box, we still have this whole box. Okay, alright, let's see. Clockwork Knight. Branded opening. That grass looks greener. Platinum set rotation. It's a trap. And a Platinum Starlight Road. Okay. So for this first box, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We got 17 platinums, which I think I have more platinums. I think I'm just blind and didn't see in this deck with the way I was holding these cards. So don't hold me to that. 17. Yeah, look. Okay, another platinum. 18 platinums. $19 platinums. This is the way I was holding it. 20 platinums. 21 platinums. 22 platinums. Okay, let's just go with 22 plat. Nope, I'm a liar. 23 platinums. Okay, have I stopped lying yet? We're about to find out. Yeah, okay, I think I stopped lying. Nope. I lied again. 24 platinums. Okay, now I think... Nope. 25 platinums. I'm sorry, I don't mean to lie. I don't usually lie this much. Okay, I think that's it. Okay. 24 platinums. Sorry. Sorry, I didn't mean to lie. I didn't mean. Okay, so we got 24 platinums. Okay, favorite one is Sengen, obviously. 24 plats, favorite one Sengen so far. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we got 5 QCRs out of this first box. So 5 QCRs and 24 plats. Very cool. Okay, move it over. Time for the big guns. Time for the next box. Just let Sengen menacingly look at you from a blurry background. Alright, let's see. Let's see if this box will top it. I gotta move these out of the way, though. Okay. Alright. When Ostinato, Secret Six Samurai, Six Samurai United, and we got a Platinum Dark Magician! Hey! I wish it was, you know, my OG art that I love, my purple Dark Magician, but I'll accept this. I'll accept it, but we all know how I feel. The other one's my husband. Very nice, though. Okay, first plat for this. Surely, if there's a Dark Magician in here, there has to be a Blue Eyes in here, right? Surely. Okay, Fabled Lurie. Win. Lord of the Heavenly Prison. Oh, we got a QCR Senate Mining. First QCR of this. Senate Mining. And we got a Platinum Blackwing. Yugioh. The Emblem of Honor. Very nice. Great. Okay, we got Ghost Sister and Spooky Dogwood. Another Redox. A Bishark. We got a Platinum Thunder Dragon Colossus. Oh, and we got Dark Magician of Chaos as a Platinum. Look. If you could hear a dog barking, I apologize. I tried to do this at a time. I didn't think anybody was gonna do anything up there. Dark Magician of Chaos. So sick. So sick. It'd be so much sicker if my dad's dog would stop barking because he got sick today and I had to clean up his vomit. So he shouldn't feel like he has all this energy to bark. Is all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Yuki would be celebrating right now. I am celebrating. I'm excited. Okay, Striker A Shizuku. Nemesis Corridor. Destiny Hero Malicious. Another SP Little Knight. Let's go. Oh, and we got a Necros of Unicorn. Cool. This is a Platinum. Looks pretty sick. Okay. Abyss Shark. Ancient Gear Howitzer. Summoning Curse. Super Polymerization. We got Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon! See, I told you there had to be a Blue Eyes in here. Is it platinum? Told you guys. I told you guys. Epic. Epic, epic. Okay, we got Danger Bigfoot. Mermail. Ghost Sister. Atlantean Dragoons. Ooh, and we got QCR Cyber Valley. Very cool. QCR Cyber Valley. Very neat. Pogging out of control. Okay, we got Nightmare Phoenix. Return of the Dragon Lords. Another Nightmare Phoenix. Dark. Ooh, we got a Platinum Gladiator. Very nice. I love this cyber archetype. Yeah, they're pretty cool. Ooh, an SP Little Knight. God, I have like 6 of these now. Okay, let's see. Allure of Darkness. Collectors. Area of the Water. Another Allure of Darkness. Ooh, we got a Magician of Faith. As a platinum. So nice. Gotta love Magician of Faith. I know, I have like 6 SPs now. Okay, we got 6 Secret 6 Samurai. Dragon Maid. Collectors. Monster Reborn. We got Ancient Gear Howitzer as a platinum. And we got Machine of Fortress as a platinum. Very nice. Okay, we got Polymerization. Atlantean Dragoons. 1 for 1. Danger Bigfoot, the other art. And we got Zombie Master as a platinum. Epic and cool and charming. Amazing. Okay, can't open on that side. Can we open on this side? We sure can. Some of those are dangerous, bro. Okay, Arch Nemesis Protoss. Totally awesome. The Galatea. Branded opening. Ooh, X-Saber. Very nice as a plat. Epic. Looks very cool. Little X-Men inspired card. OP Toad. Toad's the best. Anything toads, anything frog. Okay, we got branded opening. 6 Samurai United. Monster Reborn. Galatea. Ooh, we got a QCR Phoenix Wing. Very nice. Very cool. It's 3 QCRs for this one so far. Come on, come on. Okay, we got Black Rose Moonlight Dragon. Thunder. Tidal Dragon. Redox Dragon. We got another Breaker the Magical Warrior as a platinum. Very nice. I'm happy with my cards as platinums, honestly. Monster Reborn is OP, Ebony. That is true. Alright, let's see. We got Lieb. We got Dragon Maid. Fabled Lurie. Ooh! We got another QCR for Ghost Sister and Spooky Dogwood. Look how cute. Very cute. Come on, Konami. Give me some QCRs of ones that I like. Destiny Jaw, very nice as a platinum. Very neat. It's very cool. I can't tell what card they have in there. But it is very nice. I like this. Alternate art. Okay, Curse Seal, the Forbidden Spell. Danger Bigfoot. Ooh, Laundry Dragon Maid. Nemesis Flag. Ooh, Treeborn Frog as a platinum. So cute. More frogs. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Thanks, Hero. Okay, let's see. We only have a couple more. Armageddon Knight. Okay, Medulti Salon. Lord of the Heavenly Prison. Collectors. We got another Sky Striker as a platinum. And we got Dual Academy as a platinum. Frog Pog. That's true, Frog Pog. Okay, can't open it from that side. Okay, Swap Frog. Nemesis Flag. Curse Seal, the Forbidden Spell. Solomon Great. Ooh, Miracle Contact as a platinum. Very nice. Oh my god, we only have like 4 packs. Ooh, come on, Blue Eyes, you gotta be in here, right? Come on. Okay, Blaster Dragon. Danger Bigfoot. Whoa. Curse Seal. I know. Sky Striker. Destiny Hero is a platinum. Disc Commander. Very cool. Very cool. Okay, let's see. Senate Mining. Fire King Island. SP Little Knight. Great, we got more. Crystal Shark. Ooh, we got a QCR Magician of Faith. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Bless me with a QCR I'll enjoy. Very nice. Very nice. Epic. Epic, epic, epic. Okay, we're having trouble opening that side. Okay, Grave of the Super Ancient Organism. Senate Mining. Ooh, Collector's Deep Sea Diva. Dragon Maid Lorepar. Another Elemental Hero Absolute Zero as a platinum. Very nice. Okay. Oh, no, we have 4 packs left. Okay, very good. Thought we only had 4 before. We have 4 now. Here we go. Come on, Blue Eyes, you gotta be in one of these, right? Manifest, manifest, Howl, manifest. Okay, branded opening. Allure of Darkness. Ooh, we got Wanted! Seeker of the Simple Spoils. Nice. Curse Seal of the Forbidden Spell. Ooh, we got Ancient Gear Golem. Alright, that's pretty. I like that one. Ancient Gear Golem is pretty dope. Very nice. Absolute Zero is really nice. They're all very nice, you know? Thunder Dragon Dark. Promethean Princess. Blaster Dragon. Ooh, we got a QCR Rivalry of Warlords. Very cool. And it's a magic card. The Flute of the Summoning Dragon as a platinum. You know who would love this card? Kaiba. Kaiba would love this. It's awesome. Okay, having a really hard time opening this card pack. Dude, some of them are just like so like sticky, bro. I know, my blue eyes would really love it. Okay, Ancient Gear. Ooh, we got another Diabell Star. Okay, Ritual Beast Tamer. I love the way this card looks. Okay, Lord of the Heavenly Prison. And a Future Fusion. Okay, it's the last pack, bro. Come on, Blue Eyes. You gotta be in here, Blue Eyes. Come on. I'm begging. I'm pleading. I'm begging. I'm pleading. Last one. Last one. I see something sparkly down there. I don't know what it's gonna be. Okay. Rivalry? Okay, Deep Sea Dive. Grave. Monster Reborn. A Dark Magician Girl, the Dragon Knight. Honestly, I'll take it. I have one, but I'll take another. Very cool. Okay. That's not bad. So we got, out of the second box, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 7 QCRs out of the second box. Okay. 7 QCRs out of the second box. The first box only gave us 5 QCRs. So we got 2 more. And then we had 24 platinums. And in the second box, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20. About the same amount. I get 23. 23, but the best ones are going to be the Blue Eyes Ultimate, the Dark Magician, and the Dark Magician of Chaos. And Sangan. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now all I can do is organize these, and then I still think it was pretty good. I think the second box had better hit rate for sure than the first box did. Compared to the Walmart boxes, I think I got better. I mean, I definitely got better pulls out of the Walmart boxes. Graceful Charity, Dark Bribe, Dark Magician Girl, Summon Skull. I got Slifer the Sky Dragon, DD Warrior Lady, Toon, Creature, Trapple. I definitely think, and I got 3 SPs out of that too. I think definitely the Walmart boxes have better hits. One more recap of QCRs, I got you. So for the QCRs, where did I put them all? We got, out of the second box, we got Rivalry, Magician of Faith, Ghost Girl, can't read it, Phoenix something, Cyber Valley, and Sinet Mining. That was the second box. And then the first box for QCRs, we got Sky Striker, Fissure, Fabled Lurie, Elemental Hero, Neos, and whatever this is. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Now we wait for Crossbreakers.